Hey, what's up guys, this is your boy Maction aka Baeb, and back with another hot video, fixing a boring relationship. I understand that right now you guys can stay on the phone for about 2 to 3 hours waiting for your partner to talk, okay? It is normal for ebb and flow to set in a relationship. However, when the ebb of boredomness sets in a relationship, we need to act really quick, okay? Now, it is not something really bad, but let me tell you, it indicates that you guys are getting comfortable, getting along with each other. But we still need to make something to prevent breakup in the future. Because when each of you feels bored, that is when things getting worse. Now, I'm gonna give you 7 secret tips that is gonna help you prevent this kind of boredomness in a relationship and keeps your relationship moving. So don't go anywhere. Watch this video to the end and you are gonna have a blast relationship. Now, the first thing you have to do when you experience boredomness is to talk to your partner about it. It's just simple, okay? What you may consider being in a boredom situation might not mean the same way to the other partner. So if you don't bring it up, it's gonna keep moving. You get it? So make sure you sit the person down. Tell him or her whatever you are going through. Let the person feel your situation. And I am pretty sure he or she is going to do something to improve the situation. And boredomness can set away. Okay, so you need to make sure you talk to the person about it. And you guys can fix that issue right away from the onset. The second thing you need to do when you are experiencing boredomness is to be curious. Okay, now I get it. Sometimes we think that we know everything about our partner. And that is really wrong. The reality is, all the time, we still have one secret thing in our life, okay? We still have something that we have not exposed yet to our partner. So you need to be very curious in asking questions. You get bored when you stop asking questions. It's simple. Boredomness sets in when each of you stop asking questions. Stop being curious about your partner. So make sure you ask questions. Make sure you are being curious about your partner, and that is also gonna help improve preventing boredomness in a relationship. Now, the third thing you need to do is to go on a date. I know this might sound crazy, but hey, it works. You know what? Change of environment creates positive emotional response. Okay. Now, the thing is, you don't always have to get huge sum of money. You don't need thousands of dollars to take your girlfriend or to take somebody out. No, sometimes it's just having a walk and just spot a certain location and get a drink. That's it. You don't need anything. So make sure you take the person out. And you know what? When the person comes back or whenever he or she is bored, that person can reflect on something like that. Okay, whenever the person reflects on the date or a walk you guys had, it's gonna be of importance. Okay, that person is not gonna get bored whenever he or she thinks about that thing. So make sure you take your partner out for a date. Change of environment is really important. So make sure you do that. The thing I'm gonna give you is to limit the amount of time you spend with this individual, either on phone or in person, and get yourself busy. Dude, you need to do something for your life. Get something going on in your life and stop calling the person, like being around this person for such a long time without talking about anything. And that is when you guys start to fight, because you get nothing to do. All you have to do is to talk about bullshit, talk about all kind of nonsense, and it's not gonna help. It's just gonna create a boredom circumstance around you all the fucking time. So I want you to stay away, get yourself busy, and get something going on for your life. The 5th point I am gonna give you to help fix your boring relationship is to give yourself assignment. I know this might sound crazy, but sometimes in a relationship, the reality is you need to increase or create some kind of adrenaline rush in your relationship. Okay, get something to do, like do something to increase your unsettling. You don't always have to talk about how you love each other. Help the person to do some kind of research work about the person's own interest, okay? So that the next time you guys meet, either on phone or in person, you can have this kind of presentation. and you can have some kind of argument about the same topic. It is gonna help. It's better to always talk about I love you, I care about you. It's okay. It's okay. At this time, help the person to improve upon him or herself. Okay, do something for the person, and that is really, really important. The sixth point I'm gonna give you to fix a boring relationship is to start reflecting on the time that you met. Okay, the first time you met him or her. Talk about that. Have that conversation. Okay, talk about how you guys were freshly in love for each other and getting your head over your heels and all those kind of good stuff. Okay, talk about it. Okay, and that is gonna help prevent those kind of boredom moment. Let the person know how much you fell in love and how you struggled to get the person. That is gonna help prevent those kind of boredom situation and boredom circumstances in a relationship. I think this is the easiest way. You know how you met the person. Talk about it, and you guys are gonna have a good time. Hey, before I give you the last tip, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to watch. And don't forget to add your comment any other way that you think is gonna help fix a boring relationship. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna give you is to be silly together. Simple. I'm not saying insult each other, no way. By the matter of fact, you need to respect your partner, okay? However, you need to play along. You need to tease each other in a way that will not affect the other person negatively. Have fun. You don't always have to be serious in a relationship. You don't always have to, you don't have fun. You don't do anything together. You don't tease each other. It's not helpful. Make sure you play along. Tease each other. Have fun. Make your partner your friends. And it's really gonna help. Don't forget, the fastest way to avoid snoozing in the relationship is to make sure you are being silly to each other. Tease each other is really important. If you don't tease each other, you are always serious in a relationship. It's just simple, and you're always gonna be bored. Now, the moment you focus on clowning, on making each other laugh, you are always gonna be busy with that, and to even avoid, and to even think of being bored in a relationship. So make sure you tease each other. Don't forget, tease your partner. Okay, I'm gonna give you a bonus point. This is a bonus point I'm gonna give you. If you think all these points are not helping your relationship, get to see a counselor. You need to see a counselor for an advice. Okay, and that is gonna help prevent any kind of future breakup. Now, bringing this video to an end, don't forget to be wise and vigilant. Boom.